Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel and good morning. Today I will be making breakfast toast bread with scrambled egg and micro cilantro, and I have this Philadelphia garden vegetables to spread it. Alright, so I have egg whites, tomato, avocado again, and a little chicken powder, and I have this bread, seeded bread, sandwich bread. Alright, so let's get started. Okay, we're going to cut the avocado to cubes. It's so cold here today and yesterday. I don't know why. It's almost March already. It's still cold. I thought it was gonna snow yesterday. Last one. Then we'll cut the tomato cubes, little cubes. We're gonna make like a salad, avocado salad, and put it on the top of the toast. Okay, what we're going to do is just spread some black pepper right there. And a little salt. And mix it. And then let's put on the side while we're cooking the egg. You can put in the fridge for a while. And you can put a little oil in there. There's an olive oil. Okay, let's put in the fridge for a while. Now let's scrub all the egg. We're supposed to have 1 cup of egg whites, but I don't know how much I have there. I just put all that there. Okay, and we put a little salt and the pepper. And a little also garlic powder. Alright, and let's cook the egg. Now let's add some olive oil. And I think my pan is already heated. Alright, let's turn up the heat because the stove is still hot. Okay, this is good enough. Okay, on the bread I spread a little butter and toast that there. You can spread both sides. Okay, let's flip this over. It's not done yet. I mean, brown. It's up to you how brown you want. Oh my god, outside it's icy. According to my daughter, I'm just wondering where she is. That light brown there. Alright, let's spread some cream cheese there. You can also use hummus. I made a hummus last night. I did not share with you guys because I'm planning to sell it. And everyone will know. And that was really good. I call that triple chili hummus. There you go. Okay, if you want to add more black pepper right on the top, you can. And let's put this one on top. There you go. Okay, let's do the rest. There she is. Hello.
Hello.
Good morning. Welcome back. You alright, hon?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's just terrible outside.
Terrible outside? Is that really icy?
Well, not really icy, but I've seen so many fire trucks and police.
Oh, they have a lot of accident?
Yeah. Not coming forward or coming back, but definitely going towards that area.
Oh, wow.
Bad because the person behind me kept tailgating me for no reason. I was like, really?
Well, I'm glad you're back safe. I start worried already.
Because I had to sit in my car for 20 minutes.
What?
To wait for the engine to heat up.
Alright everyone, here is my sandwich breakfast with micro cilantro. Alright, thank you for watching. We'll see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okie dokie. See ya. God bless.